Has this ever happened to you before? Ever dropped your phone, keys, glasses in a tank? The Easy Pull will change the way you remove and install pumps for the rest of your life. You simply reach into the tank, tilt your Easy Puller forward to break the Easy Pull loose and engage the safety hook and pull it out. It's really that simple. Setting a pump is just as easy. Lift it up and set it right back into place. Tilt the Easy Puller back to disengage the safety hook and pull it out.